Hey everybody, Rick Peterson here, Goes to Love Media, doing a quick little Instant Pot segment of my own here. Nikki Haddock of NikkiHaddock.com is not here today, so I thought I would do my own segment. And what I wanted to do is a chili, and we're going to do a chili, but I'm going to use this awesome beer that I got from Moody Ales yesterday. Bring this in nice and tight for you, see if I can get that in there. And what it is it's called the Moody Ales Smoldering Smoked Porter. And apparently this thing works really well in chilies. So we're going to give that a try. And so what I've done real quickly here, I've got the saute mode going on the Instant Pot. We're going to throw in some onions and garlic that I've already got sliced up and diced up. Alright, so we got the onions sweating down, we've got the garlic in there. We're going to throw in the ground beef here now that the onions have started to clarify. Just make sure you break up the ground beef into little bits here. Alright, so you can see we're in the process of getting the meat cooked down. You want to make sure that the meat is no longer any pinkness to it at all, so it's cooked well and that it's well broken up. We're going to throw in a few other ingredients here. We got our chili powder, our cumin, our black pepper, and salt. Get that thrown in there. So there you go, well, fresh cracked pepper in there. And now we'll throw in our tomatoes. I like having mushrooms. I mean, it's Father's Day, so I get to say a bad joke. I guess I like mushrooms because I'm a fun guy. But we're going to throw these in there. It's a bad Father's Day joke. There we go. And my wife is off camera giving me a scowl of like bad dad jokes. It's terrible. And we're going to throw in some red kidney beans. And just for some fun, we're going to throw in some white kidney beans. Alright, and then now we're going to throw in our beer. I know, there's some of you guys are crying already, right? So as I said, if I remember right, I think they said that they used something to do with bourbon, and then there's the smoked casks and stuff. So it tasted amazing. I remember doing a sampling of it when we did the interview with them, which folks will have live on the site on Saturday of this weekend. So look forward to that. And then now we let the Instant Pot do its magic. We're going to turn this off, put on the lid to sealing, and then now we've got the lid on. Now we're going to select our bean chili mode and 20 minutes. And we're closed off for sealing. We'll see you back here in a minute.
20 minutes later.
Alright everybody, so we've allowed it to its pressure cook for 20 minutes on the bean chili mode, and then it did a 15-minute natural release. Now we're going to just let the last of the pressure off, if there is some. Alright.
More moments later.
Alright, here we go. Wow, this smells so good. So I'm going to let this reduce down, guys, just a little bit here, because I added a fair bit of beer, so it's a little bit too much liquid for my liking. So I'm just going to put it onto saute and let it do a natural reduction. Get rid of some of the moisture out of it, because pressure cooking, obviously, it's cooking with steam. And it's not getting rid of any of the moisture that we added, and I added a big bottle of beer in there, so And then what I'm doing right now as well is I'm scraping the bottom, make sure any of the sort of the brown bits come off for flavor. And I think this is going to be spectacular.
One eternity later.
Alright guys, so as suggested, I did do the reduction. I allowed some of the moisture to evaporate through having it on saute, and it put it to the right consistency now. I'd probably say I gave it about an extra 10 minutes or so, 15 minutes of just constantly reducing. Make sure you're scraping the bottom so nothing burns. And here we have it. And it looks good, tastes good, smells good. So great little recipe here. I'll put the details down below for you. And boy, you can sure smell the beer and stuff. It smells great. So anyways, we'll catch you next time.